Alright everybody, and welcome back to the garage. We are changing out my wife's oil. Ooh, she got a lot of leaves. What the hell? Women. Sorry baby, I love you. So we're swapping out our oil. It's a 2015 Chevy Malibu. Shouldn't be too hard. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, and we are back. Just had a little scare. I had to call a buddy that's a mechanic. Or he used to be a mechanic. He's still a mechanic in my heart. Because I had took the Corvette to O'Reilly's, and I forgot to check under her hood of, I don't know if you know this, but if you check under the hood, you could see on your oil cap what your oil type is. And this shows 5W20. And when I looked online, it showed 5W30. And I saw that and I was like, oh shit. So I looked up more online and it says both. So I called my buddy and I was like, hey, is this okay to use? And sure enough, he said, yeah, it's fine. He's like, especially being summertime and it's high mileage, it'll thin out eventually. So I'm not really too concerned anymore about that. I got this guy in place for whenever I'm ready to empty out the oil and refill it back up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this oil change done. Also got this guy at O'Reilly's. Get that guy ready. Bring out the beast. I think it's this guy. Oh. Hopefully I don't need an impact. Ah, crap. And yes, I'm still gonna clean this. I just have a birthday party to go to today, so I didn't have time. And I was playing Helldivers earlier, so leave me alone. That, we're gonna take a rag. What else do I need? Should be it. And then oil filter. We'll get this pre-lubed up. This junk ruining my seal. Get her nice and lubey. Insert oh my. That guy's there. Done. Alright, don't need this anymore. I'll keep this under with me. And take this guy with me. Alright, under we go. Wish me luck. Oh, and avoid or ignore my old man grunts. Alright. I guess before I should go under here, I should figure out what the hell I need. And under we go. Oh. Alright, so you're right here. Get a closer view for y'all. Let's see. 14? Nope, too small. 16? A little bit too wide. Oh, jeez. Perfect. So it looks like it's a 15. And get the ratchet. Hopefully I don't need a cheater bar. Ow, jerk. Move this guy out of the way. Ooh, she on there. Ah, fuck, she's on there. I know, just the thing. Beep-beep-beep-do-do. don't see anything. Ooh, let me charge these batteries. Oh, fuck you. Bingo. Okay, Daddy need a 15, 10, 16, 14. Wow, of course I don't have it. 15, perfect. I typically keep these. Oh, but it's a chrome. Alright, let's expose my face and don't judge me. I do not want that to happen, but I am desperate. Oh. Ow. 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 Okay, that's all I'm doing. Broke off the seal. I'm gonna continue with this guy. Beautiful. Alright, now that she's like that, let's get this guy out of the way. Let's bring this guy back over here. Because I do not want to get fucking submerged. Let's move you like that, shall we, darling? Oh shit, what the hell? Oh, Houston, we might have a problem. Oh, no, there you go. Oh, that's the right way. Oh, she's on there, dude. Damn, bear. Okay. How do I hope this is the oil pan moment. I totally know what I'm doing, by the way. I'm a certified mechanic. I'm actually not. But, you know, we don't talk about that. And nice. Where is my rag? Raggy? Fuck, where'd you go? There you are. Alright, let's see how tight this freaking oil filter is. Okay, not tight. Wait for this to drip out a little bit more. Why does it look like you're not fucking... Voodoo? Oh, you bastard. Trying to sabotage me. That would have been bad. I was like, why is it filling up and not draining? Ew. Okay, so this part's almost over. And wait for that a little bit more. Ah, great. I'm all trying to fill the air in here. Spill, you bastard. Okay, drop that screw. Make it cleaned up. Whew. There's Lair Bear over there. Such a nice guy. That's done. Getting me another rag. Shitty one. Ooh. Yeah, Larry's telling me that he was having some issues with his transmission getting out of gear. So he's telling me, he's like, I'm gonna swap out my transmission fluid. I was like, okay, well, you have fun with that. I'm gonna go over here and do the easy stuff. So we're all having all sorts of adventures today. All right, let's go back and see how the oil's looking. All right, she's still draining. Not too terrible though. Oh, what the hell? I thought I had it. Someone send me one of those tools. Okay, here we go. Eventually this oil will start dripping out, and then I'll just let it drip all over it. Why aren't you coming out, little guy? It's because you're too cold? Ah, there you go. And we struck gold. Yeah, girl. Let that drain out for a little bit. Speed up the process. Give it a little bit more. It looks like it's dying out already. Alright, I'm going to come in with a rag. Because if I'm going to get it dirty, might as well just use the old rag. Take this little guy off. And shebang! And then bloop. Oil is now cleaned out. Well, emptied out for the most part. We still got a little bit left to go, but almost there. Almost there. Put that guy in there. Clean my hands again. And yes, I know, if I don't want to waste microfibers, I might as well just buy some gloves. I don't have any, and I forgot to buy some walls over there. So leave me alone. She's still dripping. Wait a little bit longer. Come on, mate.
2 hours later. Five hours later.
Interesting. That should be good. No, what kind is this? Micro guard? Yeah, it's fine. Don't need nothing fancy. Same thing. I'm gonna put this guy back on there. Retighten her back up. All right, that's tightened. Get one more, for just good measure. And that is still going, wow. Just a little drip. I'm pretty sure we can just close that up already. Oh. Making sure none of this is cross-threaded at all, since it was giving me a little issue coming off, but it looks fine. I don't see nothing gouged out, so it should be okay. We're gonna go ahead and close this up now. Should be fine. Tighten that back up. Wipe off the residual. Get this guy out of the weight. And tighten her back up. Okay, she's tight and empty, and she is ready to go to put more oil. Beat it up. And apparently this has a how you pour oil, and it's this way, but it's so slanted, that don't make no sense. Whatever, I'm gonna pour it this way, because I got a funnel. All right. And she is no longer famished. Okay. Oil's been refilled. Close this guy back up. There's my oil rag right here. Clean this guy up. And put her where I left her. Oh, because I will. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check this guy. I know it's inclined. Leave me alone. Oh. And she is perfect. Good to go. Come on, mate. Okay. All right, that guy's done. Let's put up everything. We're gonna need this guy up. Put him back how it was. Close this guy back. Set her off to the side. Let's get my drill out of here. What's that? What is that? Get this off to the side. I'll worry about that later. No leaks. No leaks on this guy. No leaks on this guy. I just want to verify it's flushed. She's flushed. Good to go. Alright. She's good at reverse. What is that? And she's good at reverse. So let's try it out. There you go. That's how you change an oil. Keys here. Whew. Man, it is hot. I'm gonna reverse this guy off of the ramps. Sounds good so far. Looks good. Can't see this damn display. There you go. Out this window. Alright. So, how you change or how do you reset your oil on the 2015 Chevy Malibu? Go to your menu. Is it here? Oil life. So yeah, I'm gonna go back. So if you're at this screen, go to menu, vehicle information, use this arrow. You're gonna swipe it this way until, well, let me go back to where it was. It was right here. You're gonna go here, keep going till you get to remaining battery. You're gonna press select/clear to reset. And you're gonna go up to yes, and then this button right here, reset, and then it should jump back up to 100 or and we are good to go. That's it for right now, guys. I'm gonna have to hurry up and get showered. I'm gonna drive about an hour and a half maybe, go to a birthday party. So thank you for watching. This is like a little side get away from the Corvette. If I'm gonna do some work on cars, I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna show y'all. A couple of buddy of mine's have issues that they want to work on, and they want to support the channel too. So stay tuned for those videos. It's gonna be a Dodge Ram 2500 diesel and a F-150. I think it's an EcoBoost. Oh no, sorry, it's a V8. He has some issues too with his car about a solenoid. So those will be featured on the channel as well. So if you like what you're seeing so far, please show your love, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, appreciate it, love y'all, bye.